From spiritual wonders to opulent treasures, this 4-country journey through Southeast Asia will rejuvenate your spirit. Together, we'll explore Singapore's dynamic neighbourhoods, wend Bangkok's vibrant waterways, and encounter Angkor's mysterious temples. Stroll the hushed ruins of Ayutthaya and wend lush, fertile valleys aboard the luxurious Eastern and Oriental Express, the quintessence of the golden age of travel. Along the way, savour delectable fresh cuisine and meet genuine locals who are eager to share their culture with you. The captivating cultural roots and traditions of Southeast Asia will live long in your memory. Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned travel director who handles all logistics, allowing you to thoroughly enjoy your destination. And our expert guides and local speakers will make the region's unique history and culture come to life. As you explore with your small group, relish comfortable camaraderie and new friendships that create unforgettable memories. Plus, all of our trips feature free time, so you can strike off on your own and make new discoveries. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.